Today we are going to analyze that who has actually pursued their goals rightly between Israel and Hamas. Just to provide the background, very short and precise, I would like to mention the 7 October attack of Hamas. Hamas attacked on 7 October 2023 on Israel, and the immediate cause may not be the Palestinian state, but although the final cause for the Hamas was to establish a Palestinian state, to fight for their forefathers' territories, to get their inherent right of self determination. But the very immediate goal was to internationalize the issue once again and to stop the increasing cooperation between Arab world, particularly Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates and Israel. It seems to be the very immediate goal of Hamas while it attacked on Israel on 7 October 2023. While from the Israeli sides, when it retaliated unproportionately and non-distinctively, that is actually the war crime through the lens of international humanitarian law. But the purposes of Israel seem to be not only just to eliminate Hamas, but to homogeneously build a community in all over the territory of Gaza and including the West Bank to build a greater Israel. These were the goals of both Israel and Hamas, and from the escalation from the way of fight between Israel and Hamas, it seems that Israel has very active strategy towards establishing a single state of Israel all over the territory on Gaza. It doesn't matter it is going to be successful or not, but the goal seems to be rationally to develop a Israeli homogeneous state all over the Palestinian territories. That may be the pursuance of greater Israel, or what the Netanyahu has mentioned in United Nations General Assembly as the promised land. But till now, the war has been going on since 1 year and 1 month. But who has rightly been successful to pursue its goals? If you look at the Hamas actually successfully internationalized the issue once again. After the passing of resolution at the G20 about India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor between the India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Israel, and the European countries, Hamas was very much shocked about the ignorement of the Palestinian issue in the Middle East. Although it has attacked and successfully internationalized the issue once again, and now the multiple European countries have even recognized Palestine as a legitimate state in the West Asia, and the Palestinian ambassador has been recognized officially by the United Nations. Now, the Saudi Arabia has also mentioned that no rapprochement between Saudi Arabia and Israel can be possible until Israel recognizes a Palestinian state. And now, according to the government of Saudi Arabia, the Palestinian state is the actual stake between the relations of Saudi Arabia and Israel. Now, no such kind of India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor is possible until the Palestinian cause is resolved. While on the other side, if you look at the Israel, has it achieved its goals? Israel set his goal that they will be eliminating Hamas, but they have not been successful in that. While they are targeting civilians and civilians objects unproportionately and non-distinctively, that are the war crimes. Killing babies, children, journalists, and United Nations workers, or any religious people or leadership is not the success. It is not the criteria of success. But to achieve the goals, Israel has not pursued his goals successfully, while the Hamas has done. This is what our analysis is about the Israel-Hamas war ongoing since 1 year and 1 month. We think that until now Hamas has achieved its goals, although the cost is very high, but Hamas has been very successful in achieving its goals, while Israel has not achieved any of its goal because it has attacked civilians and civilians objects, but has never been able to militarily adopt a strategy to defeat Hamas, to let them surrender, to destroy the idea of Hamas, while the Israeli chief of army staff once mentioned that Hamas is an idea and it cannot be destroyed through the hearts of the people, because ideas are never to be destroyed when these are among the people and live and incorporated into hearts of the people. And so the Hamas has not been defeated by the Israel. Thank you very much.